Hello again, I am back with another video. Finished the house, like I said I would. And it's just a normal square house. In this video we're gonna be doing a mine and trying to find coal so that I can light it up. It is actually starting to turn to nighttime, so I'm actually gonna sleep. First let me make a few doors. Okay, oops. Okay, I don't like how it gives us an uneven amount of. Ooh. No! So let's sleep before we start. It only took me one day to build this, and I got a chest and got some food with my sword. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. This spawn point was already set, though. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, we're done with that. Just, we're gonna start the mine right here, not too close to the water. Have a shovel. Nice. Oops. Let's start with this guy. Oh my gosh, my axe is almost already broken. Bro, why didn't I just shovel that stuff? Just getting the rest of this. No, not the lag. Don't start now. If I ever get well known, I'm gonna get well known for my dang lag. Unless I get, it either to not lag. Hold on, I just found. I've already just found this. Yes! Give me that iron, bro. Oh my god, and everything we need right after that. Sweet. Let's hope no creepers come and explode my stuff. Wait. I meant me, but my stuff or me too, but sweet. This was luck. I expected the iron to be it, but oh my gosh, it goes so deep. I'll make a staircase. Well, not an actual staircase, but I'll make this more smooth with the cobblestone so that I can climb up and down. Oh my gosh. I need all this coal right now if I want to continue to, like, mine stuff. I think what we're gonna do today is mine because I have my spawn point set. You know, I think I'm gonna put all important things in chests as I go along in case I die. So I'm basically ready for this. Oh my gosh, there's more coal up there. Okay, I thought there was like a block above me that wasn't letting me jump. Lag, go away. Don't come back another day. Hope none of that stuff is dropping on the floor so that I have to go and get it. And just get this. Why is there so much coal? Is this like 2 veins in a row? Or are coal veins just huge? Like even over here, this was all just mainly coal. Is that? No, it's not. It's just coal. No. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna continue going down. Once I reach a cave, I'll make a chest. Yes, I do have enough to make a chest. Thank goodness. And I'll put all my important stuff like iron in a chest. I don't know. Alright, I'll just make... It's because I'm not using the mouse. Woo! That scared me. My phone just started playing music. Just use all that. Okay. I'll light it up a little bit. Okay, I thought I saw coal that I missed. Ugh. I don't really... Well, caves can spawn on the surface, but I don't know how deep caves get. I think I hear something. I always want to keep your ears open when you're looking. Yes, water. I hear water. When you're looking for caves, you gotta always keep your ears open. Do I have a crafting table? I don't. Oh, I'm just gonna have to use this. That means I don't have enough for a chest anymore. Oh, whatever. I hear a skeleton. Yeah, I'm going back up. Just for now. I missed some? Are you kidding me? Try not to fall off my path. Okay. Just place some. I don't want to put, like, lots. I'm sure later on I'll put lots, but for now, I'll just put some. I cleared out that a lot. I opened the chest earlier, but I actually saved a lot of saplings. 9. I'm just gonna make a furnace really quick. I never placed the freaking crafting table. I'm just not ready for fighting mobs, or not right now, at least. I had a Minecraft world with my brother, and, like, losing trees was a big problem because we kept on having to go further and further just to get trees. That should be good. Let's do food in this one. Let's actually get the food. Somebody's making a rocket right outside my window. I think it's a dog. Hopefully it's a dog. Boop. Oh. Okay. Coal. Okay. Alright. I get torches to light this place up so that no mobs spawn in my house. Symmetrical. I don't think the door's even. It's not. Do. I think this is the middle. I don't know. I don't know. Stay there, fire! Okay, I'm gonna go chop down some... Gonna go... chop... down... some trees... really quick, okay. What's that iron? Hell yeah. Didn't even use the other ingot. Hell yes, I can finally run. Boop. God, I think that's no, that's salmon. Wait, I actually don't know, but whatever. Oh, just chopping down any trees at this point. Get some more. Oh no! I don't like it when I do that. I could have so undone that, right? You can just like undo stuff like that. Hold on, I should not break the leaves really, because then it just wastes the leaves that I can get stuff from. Do things despawn that quickly? I'm talking to myself about the trees I chopped down over here. I just don't know if the stuff would despawn this quickly. I think it takes 1 minute. It's very low. I don't know. Deep conversation with myself. But, dude, I swear to God, I saw like something teleport over here. I don't know. It's so ugly. We'll find something good. I think we're gonna go back over there. By the way, I did find the how far you could jump with limits. It's actually it's 4 blocks. Trust me. I found out the hard way when I was jumping off to do the roof. Okay. Yep, it's almost the end of the video already. Thank you. I'm just gonna take this too. Yeah. I like that XP sound. Wait, I'm pretty sure you can like unstrip that. No. Apparently not. Whatever. I don't like the looks of stripped log. Looks like it's nighttime. Which means it's basically the end of the video. Already. I wonder how many I've made 5 videos today. Oh my god. It's only because I want to get a nice kick start at this YouTube thing if it really gets going. I want people to be able to have videos to watch and not have to wait a whole week for another video to come out. Just because I just started, you know, it's like finding an anime you really like. You put it on the first episode and then realize, oh shoot, that's the only episode that there is. You know, I think I'm gonna start a farm next episode. I don't have much. I think I have like only 3 seeds, 4, whatever. 5, 6. You could also tell me if I should make like Bed War videos. I suck at Bed Wars. I'm the one who defends the base because I'm so scared to go out. Well, I still do go out, but it's super embarrassing because most of the time I actually just fall off. I fall off. I fall off the bridges to other islands, and then I sometimes even fall off the islands, not even trying to bridge. Like I fell trying to bridge once. I feel like I'm just dragging the team down, but I know that's the only way to get better, so trying to get better. Just organizing my inventory before it's time to say goodbye. Oh, wait, what? Did I already sleep? Yeah, I think I already slept. Stupid. Let's get all that. Gosh. I don't really like these two. I like the, what's the stuff you find in Nether? Quartz. Jeez, quartz. It's such an easy, simple name. This will be animal product, these 2 rows. Well, this is before I get like a ton.